Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites swiftly. You need the Teams client that supports transcription and organizer or presenter privileges. Once verified, make sure recording and transcription are enabled in meeting options or your admin settings. Join the meeting and immediately open More Actions, then choose Start Transcription. This begins live text capture for all participants. You'll see the transcript panel appear. Doing these first steps gets you a searchable record while the conversation is fresh and permissions are correctly applied. Once the transcript is running, you manage it for clarity and utility. Open the transcript pane to follow timestamps and speaker labels. Switch to speaker view if you need context on who's talking. You can edit participant display names or map speakers for accurate attribution, and you can pause or stop transcription if sensitive content appears. Make sure to download the VTT or TXT file after the meeting for editing and archiving. These steps let you convert raw text into a clean, shareable record. You wrap up by downloading the transcript and cleaning it. Edit timestamps, speaker labels, and remove filler, then save the final file to the channel or SharePoint for team access. Make sure you set correct file permissions and notify participants where to find it. If the transcript is incomplete or inaccurate, check the common culprits: participant mic permissions, background noise, network stability, and that transcription language matches the spoken language. If problems persist, restart the recording and rerun a shorter segment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.